Let's listen to this. If anyone has threatened you, if anyone has turned against you, attacked you, did whatsoever, it is because they are in fear of you. There's things you haven't seen of yourself. There's many of you don't know who you are. But your environment can exactly see what entered into you. They know exactly who your God is. The devil with his heart. So you are joining something which the enemy wants to wipe out, because he's not just after you, he's after your whole bloodline. But when people fight you in the society, when you were in the dark realm, they were fighting you to wipe you out. It was not, they were not after the bloodline. They were after individuals. But now that you are in God, they're not just coming for you, they come for the whole bloodline. Because now you have become a savior of the bloodline. You became an instrument which can change the bloodline. Every curse that operated, every devil that worked, you have stopped it. When Jesus came into you,